Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I made a DIY crib for my reborn baby. So you start off with a Amazon box. You can get any box actually. I used a medium-sized box for this because I wanted my baby to sit up kind of high. And you can get either a sheet or a blanket. You may want to get several blankets. However, I just used one big old sleeping bag and just place it in there, fold it up really nice. And it's going to be a little high. So that's going to be like the mattress. And then you're going to get a sheet. And it can be any size sheet. I got a big queen size sheet because I wanted the baby to have plenty of room. And also I wanted it to kind of hang down so it can make a cute little look. You're going to push down into the box with your hands. And then you're going to need another sheet. This one could be smaller. And this is going to be like the bedding on top of the mattress. Okay, so this is going to be the bedding. You fold it and then you're going to place it in there. And you're also going to push down. So it's going to be like a mattress and the bedding on top of it. Next, get a cute little blanket. And you can hang it over the side of the box just for a cute little decor. I'm tucking in the extra sheet so it doesn't hang over my dresser, and that's it. Follow me for more, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your fellow mommies and daddies who love reborns. Peace.